Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break number 843. We're opening one box of 1415 Superlative Vault Hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 26th at 9:59 p.m. And according to diamonddate.com, it is currently 11:45 a.m. Saturday, June 27th. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. One box, 1415 Superlative Vault. Just like to mention that we've got 4 box breaks ending tonight between 9 and 10:30 p.m. We got some Ultimate Vault memorabilia. We've got some Titanium 1314 and some Artifact 1415. All that tonight on Box Breakers. Okay, here we go. Let me get the foam out here. Take the seal. First card. Wow, Wayne Cashman, Johnny Busick, and Brad Park and Vic Hatfield. The first 6 Cup Finals. Okay, we've got 2 Boston Bruins jersey. We've got Wayne Cashman and Busick for Boston, and we've got Brad Park for Rangers and Vic Hatfield for Rangers. The card will be randomized between Boston and Rangers at the end of the break. Nikolai Kidman, auto plus number. Yeah, just here. On the front of this card has been personally signed by Nikolai Kidman, an authenticity autograph guaranteed in the game. The foil stamp on the front of this card is the case the piece of Nikolai game used member owner received. Okay, let me see if we've got something else detailed here. Use, no year, no logo. Well, we got Toronto. Got a Toronto logo clearly indicated here. Card goes to Toronto. Just punch it in. Yeah, card goes to Toronto Maple Leafs. Okay, Superlative patch, Dale Awachuk. Beautiful patch. On the front of this guy, a piece of game used Dale Awachuk, Winnipeg Jets jersey. Enjoys a piece of hockey history as you get in the game. Nice hit. Card goes to Jets. Beautiful patch. And, oh, this is nice. We got a Rocket game used jersey. Old jersey. Look at that. 2 colored. 1 of 1. Hart Trophy. Trophy case. Front of the sky, a piece of game used, a Rocket, Maurice Richard, Montreal Canadiens jersey, gold version. See, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let's get the card to be randomized. I'm already set up on random.org, so let me get you guys to my screen. Small adjustment on random.org under the list randomizer. Card we're randomizing has 2 Boston players, 2 Rangers players. So we need Boston twice. So Bruins once. Second on card is again Bruins in that order. Then we got Rangers and Rangers. Okay, let's double check this all together. So, written in the back, we've got Wayne Cashman, Boston Bruins, then Busick, Boston Bruins, Brad Park, Rangers, and Hatfield, Rangers in that order. And on top of the card, we got the 2 Boston players first, and then 2 Rangers. So 2 Boston, 2 Rangers. Card will be randomized 3 times. Team that's on top the 3rd time wins the card. For those unfamiliar with this procedure, all the information is available on all of my listing pages or description pages. So here we go. Randomize once. We've got Bruins on top. Randomize twice. We've got Bruins still on top, and a third time. We've got Bruins on top. You have randomized this list 3 times. Bruins wins the beautiful quad jersey card. And now, as promised, we'll do a recap of our hits. So we got Bruins gets the quad jersey card. Jets gets the Dale Awachuk card. Nikolai Kulimin for Toronto. Auto and patch, 1 of 1. And it's beautiful. Like, this jersey must be like over 60, at least 65, 63 years old. Beautiful hit for the Rocket from Montreal. That concludes our break number 843. Don't forget, tonight we got 4 box breaks ending between 9 and 10:30. We've got some limited 12-13 also. And our next Superlative Vault ends tomorrow night at 9:30 p.m. My name is Joe. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.